Scorpion Trade is a neural network-based bot that earned more than $10,000 in the last week, and I'm sharing it with you for free. The process of getting a robot will take only a few minutes. Go to the bot from the video description and launch it. Scorpion will send you a link to register for the Pocket Option. Click on it and create a new account. After verification, use a promo code to top up your balance, which will give you a 100% bonus on your first deposit. This was the last step towards getting the best trading assistant for Pocket Option. Now, we can start. First of all, we need to set the 30 seconds candles. Then let's choose the asset here and the same one in the bot. Set 1-minute expiration time, confirm your choice and open a deal according to the signal.